Welcome to this step-by-step guide on using the Wallis Connect Exothermic Welding System. This system offers a simple, portable, and cost-effective way to create strong and reliable electrical connections for copper to copper, copper to steel, and other materials. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. Step 1. Safety first. Before getting started, make sure you're wearing the appropriate protective gear. This includes protective boots, heat-resistant gloves, appropriate safety glasses, flame-retardant clothing. Following these safety measures will help protect you from any potential hazards during the welding process. Always check if there are additional PPE guidelines for your specific site. Step 2. Understand the equipment. The Wallis Exothermic Welding Kit comes with several essential components. A specially designed graphite mold, handle clamp, exothermic welding powder, flint gun, and cleaning tools. In addition, you may also need a gas blowtorch or electric heat gun to preheat the graphite mold before use. Each joint type requires a specific mold, and you'll find full instructions for each type in the manual included with the mold. All molds can be found by either visiting our website, www.an-wallis.com, or by scanning the QR code. Step 3. Prepare the conductors and mold. Proper preparation is key to achieving a strong, durable weld. The first step in this process will be to clean the conductors. It is vital to ensure that all conductors to be welded are clean, dry, and free of oil, grease, or moisture. The surfaces should be bright and shiny. After this, you will need to preheat the mold, as the mold must be dry before use. Insert the handle clamp lugs into the holes on the mold and tighten the wing screw to secure it. Preheat the mold to remove any moisture, ensuring it's ready for welding. Then split the graphite mold using the handle clamp and position it around the conductors to be welded. Step 4. Add the welding powder. First, find the welding powder. Each box of welding powders is clearly labeled with the type, size, and quantity. After that, place a steel retaining disc, which can be found packed with the welding powders, in the mold's crucible, ensuring it's centered over the tap hole at the bottom. This disc prevents the welding powder from falling through the mold during the preparation process. Then, remove the cap and pour the welding powder into the crucible. After that, find the starter powder located under the pull ring inside the welding powder tube. Sprinkle it evenly over the welding powder in the crucible. Place a small amount of the starter powder on the mold's top edge for easier ignition. Step 5. Ignite the powder. Close the mold and use the flint gun to ignite the starter powder. This will trigger an exothermic reaction that creates molten copper, which flows into the weld cavity and fuses the conductors together. The steel disc and impurities will convert into slag during the process. Step 6. Opening the mold. Allow about 15 seconds for the metal to cool. A helpful indicator is when the slag turns from bright red to a dull red or black, meaning the weld has solidified. Once the slag has cooled, carefully open the mold and remove the welded joint. Remember that both the mold and the conductors will still be very hot, so handle with care. Step 7. Clean the mold. Before starting another weld, it is essential that you clean the mold to remove any slag or debris. Use the scraper tool to remove slag. Use a soft brush to clean the mold. Avoid wire brushes as they can damage the mold surface. Proper maintenance of the mold can extend its lifespan, allowing you to get around 50 welds with each graphite mold if cleaned properly after each connection and making sure the mold is handled carefully. That's it. You've successfully completed a weld using the Wallis Connect Exothermic Welding System. This method is fast, mobile, easy to use, requires no heat source, and provides superior corrosion-resistant joints compared to traditional mechanical or compression connections. With proper preparation and safety precautions, you'll achieve excellent long-lasting results every time.